Welcome back. We have been here before in my kitchen. This is my kitchen. And this is the Grohe faucet that has the slight problem where it switches from spray, stream, spray, or kind of gets stuck in the middle between the two. And I did get from Grohe the replacement part for it. I think it's beyond its warranty, I'm not sure, and hopefully publishing this video won't kill my goodwill with Grohe, because I do not have ill will toward Grohe. I'm quite impressed with their products, but this is the replacement, so it doesn't do the spray stream screw up anymore. And a couple of interesting things I want to show, because it's really easy to change, and some of the engineering that I really do quite appreciate. These double O-rings right here are exactly what makes this easy to replace. The only thing I'll need to replace it is a 2.5 millimeter hex, Allen hex wrench, whatever you might want to call that. And in the back of this flexible spout is a Allen hex head screw. So I will be unscrewing that. And the point is, the screw doesn't do anything to make a seal or keep the water in. The only thing the screw does, make sure you don't drop it down the drain. I think there might be I thought they put a screw in the package. The package was not in good shape, by the way. That was pretty beaten up. And the aerator unscrewing tool, that goes up in here to unscrew the aerator to clean that out. That was broken a little bit. That was the only thing that was damaged in here, but I thought they included an Allen wrench and a screw last time I got it, but this time it did not. So don't drop the screw down the sink. So the only thing the screw does is to go into this slot to keep the head from coming out. So now that I've removed the screw, if I give it a little twist and pull, there goes the old, let's see if we can get the water out of it. There goes the old nozzle head thing. So here they are side by side. You can see they're quite identical, only that one works and one doesn't. This one has a little bit of goo up here from the water. Sometimes there's some faucet grease in there too, but this one does not have it. And in a future video, we're going to take this apart and see if we can perhaps resurrect it, because I don't know how long Grohe is going to keep sending me. This, I think, is my third, if you count the original. I don't know how long Grohe will continue sending me faucet parts for this faucet. I hope forever, but I guess when they stop, I will no longer be able to spray and stream, which is, albeit I'm a streamer. I don't know if I'll be able to do this single-handedly, because the rubber bit here I've lost where the hole is, so I'm going to pause this and put it down. Okay, so the screw is back in, the nozzly thing is back on, and now we should be, oh my gosh, it's so much different. Spray, stream. If I bump the stream again, it doesn't, there we go. It's quite hard to get it back to stream. So that is solved, at least the symptom is solved, but the root cause is not solved. So again, over-promising and hopefully not under-delivering. I know this is difficult to take apart because I took the last one apart off camera. So I will take this apart on camera, and we'll see if we can't take it apart in a way that we can replace the broken parts inside without throwing away the whole thing. Get some magnets, probably from K&J Magnetics. They are my go-to source. Unsponsored go-to source for pretty incredible magnets. So thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful, and ask me any comments. Don't forget to like my video, and if you like what I'm doing, subscribe. Why not? Thanks for watching.